2017 Jaguar F-Type SVR first drive. Jaguar's F-Type SVR has a special new exhaust. I drove the car in Monterey, California, where there's this tunnel right in the middle of town. You see where I'm going with this. The pipes attached to the normal F-Type R's supercharged 5.0-liter V8 is a flatulent riot, one of the most flamboyant twin sections in modern exhaust dome. And then Jaguar's Special Vehicle Operations, the group of madmen responsible for the Project 7, comes along and rips it all out for the SVR. The room is needed for a rear diffuser, see. So a new system is fabbed using two fancy lightweight alloys, Inconel and titanium. A pair of mufflers sprout where one used to be. More. Better. Louder. Yes, all of that. Geez, it's loud. And there's this tunnel, remember. Enter it and lift from the throttle, and it sounds as though there are some kids stowed away in the trunk tossing handfuls of M80s out the back. Big report is what it'd say on the box if a F-Type SVR were a firework. It's dramatic, perhaps excessive. Scratch that, it's definitely excessive.